Good news, good news, good news, for iPhone lovers. iPhone manufacturer Apple Company is working on the upcoming iPhone 17 series. And it will be launched worldwide in a few days. But even before the launch, leaks and rumors about this new series are continuously appearing on the internet. It is being said about iPhone 17 Pro Max that it can be introduced with a new and updated design. Let us know what upgrades are going to be available in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start. iPhone 17 Pro Max design. According to leaks, it has been revealed that Apple is now planning a makeover. The frames of the iPhone 17 series were recently leaked on Weibo, which reveals that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a large horizontal layout at the top for the camera sensor. The design is quite similar to the Google Pixel series. iPhone 17 Pro Max is also likely to use aluminum body instead of titanium body, in which there is also talk of replacing the glass rear panel in some areas of the back panel. 17 Pro Max will also get a small dynamic island, which allows more screen area. Talking about the rear camera design, the photo shows that dynamic island and ultra-narrow bezels will be available in the front display. There are rumors that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch ProMotion display, whose refresh rate is going to be 120 Hz. Camera setup. Triple camera setup is going to be available in iPhone 17 Pro Max, whose primary camera will be 48-megapixel wide-angle, second 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and third 48-megapixel tetraprism telephoto sensor. And for selfie, a 24-megapixel camera can be found in the front. Processor. The upcoming iPhone series is going to get A19 Pro chipset with Apple Intelligence, which is going to come with 3nm second-generation chipset. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, the price of its starting variant can be $999. And talking about the launch date, it will be introduced in September 2025.